What's up, guys? It's Mari and you're watching E! Asylum. Check out how the director of Lady in the Water got his middle name, Knight. For more E! Asylum, keep watching the University Network.
There's something strange going on around this building.
Now, I read that you got Knight, I think, during your college years or your high school years. How did that come about?
I never had a middle name at the time when I was a kid, and so when I was a teenager, I said I wanted a middle name to my parents, and they said, well, take our name. And I was like, yeah, I don't really feel like that. And then I didn't feel like doing an American name, because a lot of Indian guys, immigrant guys take on, Joe, Sam, that kind of thing. But, I'm not a Sam.
No.
And so, and I saw the name Knight, and I was like, wow, that feels like that's me. And it really, I didn't really feel like ultimately that I fit the name for a long time.
Lady in the Water.